Good morning, students. This is your biological class, and today we will discuss about the topic mutation. In our earlier video, I have discussed about the sex determination in animals. So, what is mutation? If we consider a cell, there is a nucleus, and in the nucleus there are 46 chromosomes. If we talk about the human cell, okay, if we talk about in the pair, then the 23 pairs are present in the nucleus of the human cell. Okay, total 46, and in the pair 23 pairs, in which 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is sex chromosome. Inside the chromosome there is a DNA, a thread like DNA. The part of the DNA which can make a whole RNA, that is called gene. What is the definition of gene? The part of DNA which make a complete RNA is called gene. The RNA may be of three type. Any type DNA can make the any type of RNA, which is tRNA, transfer RNA, mRNA, messenger RNA, rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA. Okay, so in all the cells the chromosome number is same. If the 23 pair, if we talk about the human cell, if 23 pair are present, then each cell of human body contain 23 pair of chromosome. Same chromosome, same DNA, same gene, but in all the chromosomes same DNA is present in all the cell of one human body, and same genes are present in all the cells of human body, but all the genes are not activated in all the cell. In some cell some genes are activated, in another cell some other gene are activated. Okay, so in a particular cell all the genes are not activated. That's why it make different type of proteins, because in in a particular cell, in a particular cell, specific specific gene is activated, then it will make a specific protein. Okay, gene will be activated, then it will make a specific protein. Chromosome, the change in the chromosome, DNA or gene, either in gene, DNA or chromosome, then it is called mutation. Any change in the gene or DNA or chromosome is called mutation. Change in quality or quantity of genetic material. DNA is the genetic material, and DNA is present inside the chromosome, and genes are present. Genes are the parts of the DNA. That's why in the change of gene or DNA or chromosome, any type of change, that is qualitative or quantitative, then it will be said mutation. Okay, so mutation is caused by mutagens. There are some mutagens which cause mutation. Reason behind mutation is mutagens. Anything which can cause mutation is called mutagens. Especially there are two type of mutagens. First is physical mutagens, second is chemical mutagens. First, physical mutagens are UV rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays. All type of rays comes under this category, that is physical mutagens. Okay, these are very powerful rays. That's why it can destroy our genes also. Our genes can be destroyed by the UV rays, and UV rays can make the normal cell cancerous cells. Okay, so it is very harmful for our body and everyone. UV rays, gamma rays are the example of physical mutagens. And tobacco carcinogen and colchicine dye. Colchicine dye, tobacco are the chemical mutagens by which the gene, DNA or chromosome can be affected by these type of mutagens. So there are two type of mutagens, physical and chemical. In the physical, all type of rays comes under this, and in chemical, tobacco, colchicine dye comes under chemical mutagens. So if we talk about the type of mutation, there are three type of mutation. First one is genomatic mutation, second one is chromosomal mutation, and third one is gene mutation. Gene mutation is also called point mutation. Okay, so point mutation is asked in the examination mostly. What is point mutation? Because if there is a change in the gene, okay, if gene is destroyed or something happened with the gene, then it will be called gene mutation. If we talk about the genomatic mutation, what is genomatic mutation? If there is a condition 2n barabar 2n is equal to 4 chromosome and n is equal to, if we talk about the haploid condition, then n will be 2 chromosome. If we consider human beings, then there is 46 chromosome and 23 in pair. Homologous pair, homologous chromosome 2n condition is 46, n is equal to 23. If we talk about the 3n condition, there is 3n condition triploid condition, then one whole set will be increased in the chromosome 3n. If we take the example of 2n is equal to 4, n is equal to will be 2, and then 3n will be 6 chromosome. Triploid organism will be make 3 haploid set. If there is 4n condition, then total number of chromosome will be 8, tetraploid. When the whole haploid set is repeated in an organism, then it is called genomatic mutation. When the whole set is increased, whole set or some chromosomes, whole set of chromosome or some chromosome are increased, then it is called genomatic mutation. Genomatic mutation may be of two types. Change in the number of chromosome. When the chromosome number is changed, then it is called genomatic mutation. It may be of two types, polyploidy and aneuploidy. What is polyploidy? Increase in haploid set. When the whole set is increased in the chromosome, then it is called polyploidy. Poly means a lot, many. जब many number are chromosome are present or many sets are present of chromosome in an organism, then it is called polyploidy. Aneuploidy, what is? Increase or loss of few chromosome. Their polyploidy is whole set is increased, and aneuploidy when some number, any number, it can be 1 or 2, when some number is increased or decreased of chromosome, then it is called aneuploidy. In polyploidy, whole set is increased. If there is a 2n condition is 6, and then when the zygote will make, then 2n condition will be 12. Okay, there is a meiotic error, that's why polyploidy happened. Second is colchicine dye, which is a chemical mutagens. At the time of cell division, DNA replicate and it become doubled at the time of cell division. When the cell divide, DNA become replicate and become double, but chromosome number still remains same. Okay, chromosome number does not change at the time of cell division, but DNA copies are made, DNA replicate and it become doubled. Then if we use, if the colchicine dye is present at this stage, prophase stage, then the spindle fiber will not be formed due to the colchicine dye. When the spindle fiber does not form, then whole set of chromosome will go into one body or one offspring body. Whole set of chromosome will go into one body because the spindle fiber are not made, and both the chromosome are not separated, that's why. So what is the function of colchicine? Colchicine does not initiate to separate the chromosome and does not form the and prevent the formation of spindle fiber. That's why whole chromosome go into one gamete. So this is the colchicine dye which is responsible for the mutation. Okay, which is responsible for mutation, and it is a chemical mutagens. If we talk about the aneuploidy, which is the type of genomatic mutation, if there is loss or gain or few chromosome or 1 or 2 chromosome. In polyploidy, there is a whole set is increased. chromosome set is increased and in the aneuploidy any number is increased or lost, then it is called aneuploidy. For example, 2n is equal to 4 is given, then it will become 2n is equal to 4 plus 1. If one chromosome increase, then it is called 5. 2n will be 5. There is an increase of one chromosome, then it is, will be called aneuploidy. As in the diagram is shown, there is an increase in the one chromosome, there is 3 chromosome, then it is called aneuploidy. There are also many type of aneuploidy, that is monosomic. Monosomic, what is when there is a loss of one chromosome. In monosomic aneuploidy there is loss of one chromosome, then it will be called monosomic aneuploidy. Is monosomic aneuploidy, example of monosomic aneuploidy is Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, in Turner syndrome female sex chromosome is reduced, female X chromosome, one X chromosome is reduced and the X0 condition has been left over. So there will be the 45 chromosome in the Turner syndrome female. So this is monosomic aneuploidy. Nullisomy, when the whole set, when the two chromosome number are lost, then it called nullisomy. 2n minus 2, then it will be 44, then it will be called nullisomy. It is the also the type of aneuploidy because there is a loss of two chromosome. In trisomy condition, there is increase of one chromosome in the pair of chromosome, there is an increase of one chromosome. If there is a condition of 46, then one chromosome will be increased, then it will be 47. Okay, when it is called Down syndrome, when one chromosome increased in the sex chromosome, then this is a disease in the human being. Okay, that is called Down syndrome. Next is tetrasomic. Tetrasomic, when the two tetrasomic condition does not occur mainly because it is not possible. 44 plus 4, tetra means 4. When the 4 chromosome are added, then it will be called tetrasomic. So there is no existence of the tetrasomic aneuploidy. So there are monosomic, nullisomy and trisomy. You should learn monosomic, there is a loss of one chromosome. Nullisomy, there is a loss of two chromosome. Trisomy, there is a gain of one chromosome, then it will be the Down syndrome disease. If the one increase of chromosome, then it will be Turner syndrome. Okay, so these were about the mutation and the type of mutation. We have discussed the genomatic mutation in detail. Tomorrow we will discuss about the chromosomal mutation. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. If is there any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, bye.